How do you prevent failures and machine breakdowns? How do you minimize downtime and reduce the cost of maintenance? And how do you optimize performance while minimizing waste and emissions? The answer is by using connected technologies from SKF. How? Well, we use a 4-step process, where the first step is to connect to your machinery and collect relevant data. This can be done by taking data from your current sensor-connected machinery, process systems and data historian, and providing any additional sensors and portable or online data acquisition technology needed to monitor your critical, semi-critical, and even your balance of plant assets. The next step is to detect any issues by interpreting this big data using a combination of analysis tools, including artificial intelligence, automated machine learning, and expert fault verification systems, on-site or with cloud-based and remote diagnostic solutions. In the third step, insights from your data are presented in easy-to-understand dashboards, informing and advising when a problem arises, what it is, what to do about it, and how to resolve it. The final step is about working together with you to improve your operations. We want to do this in a new way where our interests are aligned from the start. This fee and performance-based approach reduces your risk and makes it easier for you to continually benefit from the latest Industry 4.0 and IoT technologies without the need for significant upfront investment, helping you move from the transactional purchasing of technology and products to purchasing rotation as a service.